Upper screws.
First unhook the top cover at the front and then pull it forward and remove it. There is one screw each to the left and right of the headlight. Remove these.
Bottom screws.
There is one screw on each side on the underside. And 4 screws in the middle. Remove them.
Screws for the wheel arch liner.
Remove the 3 screws on each side directly to the bumper. And one more inside. Once the screws have been removed, you can fold the wheel arch liner a little to the side.
Screws to the fender.
The bumper is screwed to the side with one screw at the rear end. Once you have removed this screw, you can pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. A little further forward, the bumper is fixed to the fender on the inside by a nut. This nut is difficult to reach here and unscrewing it requires some patience.
Disconnecting the sensors and headlight washer.
The adaptive cruise control sensors are located on both sides. Press the connector's locks on both sides and then pull it out. Here, after reinstallation, the sensors must be recalibrated by a workshop. Failure to calibrate the sensors can lead to a failure of the driving assistance systems and cause accidents. The central plug for the parking distance control is located on the left side. To unplug it, use a narrow screwdriver to lever the lock back a little. This will release the lock at the front and you can remove the plug. The hose coupling for the headlight washer system is also located at the front left. Press and unplug the blue locks on both sides. Leaking washing water can be collected and reused. Now the bumper can be removed. To remove one of the parking sensors, loosen the holders on both sides, do not bend them, and press the sensor from the outside inwards. To unplug, pull the white lock back a little and then press it. When removing, be careful not to lose the rubber seal.